Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the magnified eyes filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so here I am in trending section now. Here, go to new. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, right voice. Okay, so to get this filter, if you are not getting from effects gallery, you can go to discover. And here you can search for magnified eyes. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the filter from here also. And suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this magnified eyes filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.